Smart Texas business owners have a knack for spotting a good investment. And right now, there's one investment that's catching everyone's attention: solar energy. It's not just a trend, it's a smart, strategic move that more and more businesses are jumping on. Why? Because they know a good deal when they see one that slashes costs, boosts property value, and puts them ahead of the competition. Companies like Sunstra are leading the way in helping Texas businesses make the switch seamlessly. Well, for starters, businesses that switch to solar are seeing their electricity bills shrink, sometimes by as much as a third. And that's not all. Federal and state tax incentives are making it easier than ever to make the switch, lowering the initial costs and making solar more affordable. Sunstra works with businesses to navigate these incentives, ensuring they take full advantage of available savings. Think of solar panels as an investment that keeps on giving. With Texas getting so much sunshine, they generate free electricity for your business and boost your property value at the same time. It's like having an asset that pays you back while making your business more valuable. A win-win. Worried about cloudy days? Don't be. Solar panels still generate electricity even when it's not super sunny. Plus, modern energy storage solutions mean your business can store excess energy for use later, ensuring you have power no matter what the weather is like or if there's an issue with the grid. Now let's talk about the cost. Sure, there's an upfront investment, but the good news is there are many financing options available. Essentially, you're trading your fluctuating monthly electricity bill for a fixed investment that pays itself off over time. In fact, a lot of businesses find that the money they save on energy covers the installation cost quicker than expected. The installation process is quicker than you might think too. In just 1 to 3 days, a qualified team can set up your business to start generating its own energy. And maintenance? It's super minimal. Today's solar panels are designed to last and usually only need a little cleaning now and then. Solar technology is constantly improving, getting more efficient and cost-effective every year. These advancements mean that solar energy is becoming an even better option for Texas businesses looking to save money and be energy independent. For businesses in Plano, companies like Sunstra are making the switch easy. They offer free quotes and guide you through the entire process, helping you find the best solution for your specific needs to maximize your investment. The bottom line? Going solar isn't just about being eco-friendly, it's a smart business move. You reduce operating costs, increase your property's value, and gain energy independence, all while positioning your company for long-term success. By choosing solar with Sunstra, you're not just cutting costs, you're investing in the future of your business. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll be sharing more tips on sustainable business practices and smart energy solutions, so stay tuned. And if you're interested in solar options, companies like Sunstra are always here to help guide the way. Until next time, keep embracing a lifestyle that's green, clean, and smart.